Hello and good evening. I'm Steve Eager. First on Fox 4 News at 5:30 tonight. After being declared brain dead, a pregnant Fort Worth woman was kept alive against her family's wishes because of how her doctor and hospital interpreted Texas law. A House bill just filed would allow pregnant women to decide what they want done in advance if something goes wrong during their pregnancy. Fox 4's Jenny Anchondo is in our Dallas newsroom tonight with more on how Marlise's law would work. Jenny.
Yeah, so Steve, this bill does not prevent a pregnant woman from receiving medical treatment, but it does allow healthcare providers to honor her wishes if she creates a written statement to be used in the event that she's unable to communicate with a doctor. So as it stands right now, this is a protection offered to all Texans except pregnant women.
That she was human. She wasn't an experiment.
Marlise Munoz's father made rare public comments this morning in Austin, introducing the bill nicknamed Marlise's Law.
She wasn't someone who we wanted to see in a hospital tied to machines.
Marlise, 14 weeks pregnant with her second child, collapsed due to a blood clot in November 2013. Her mother, Lynn, says healthcare providers at JPS Hospital in Fort Worth were forced to keep her alive for 62 days, even though she was legally dead.
Our daughter's death was one of the most difficult moments of our lives. It became more difficult because politics were involved.
She was finally removed from life support when a judge ordered the hospital to grant the family's wish. Her husband, Eric Munoz, says he never wanted to be in the spotlight like this.
All I wanted was a family, a wife, and the ability to provide for them a better future.
But since it's happened, he says he's working with the ACLU.
I'm here today in hopes that by changing this law and putting this new bill, known as Marlise's bill, in place, families can endure whatever tragic loss in a private manner.
Marlise's mom says she regrets she wasn't able to honor her daughter's final wishes.
We are sure our situation won't be the last, and we want to help in Marlise's honor. That is why we are here, and that is why we are fighting.
Now, Representative Bill Krause of Fort Worth already filed a bill that has a very different goal. It would require hospitals to maintain life support for pregnant women even when they are declared brain dead, and would even go so far as to appoint a legal representative for the unborn child in court. That was filed in February and then referred to committee yesterday. Steve?
All right, Jenny, but so this is called Marlise's Law, or would be. But the situation, it really wouldn't change her specific situation. Am I reading that right?
Yeah, that's correct. And it's kind of confusing here, so follow me on this. I spoke to Attorney Tom Mayo, who is very familiar with the bill, and the key here is the difference between a patient who is alive but unable to communicate and a patient like Marlise who was declared brain dead. Mayo says because she was declared brain dead and Texas advanced directives do not apply in that situation. That's why it's different. This protection is specifically for pregnant women who are in a vegetative state but technically still alive. It's really designed to close a gap in protection within current law. Steve?
Just a tough call for any family to have to make. All right, Jenny Anchondo, thank you.